In the currency quadrant, despite relatively low volume, the March British pound futures finish a year with 4 down sessions in the last 5. That's at least as of the New York cash close, when most trading volume takes place, even on a historically low volume day like today. The low today was 133.99, which was down 0.48%, and the high was 134.74, up only 0.08%. With some time left in the future session, the British pound has bounced off the low significantly, but it's still down 0.09% for the day. For 2025, the British pound future is going to finish up a little bit over 7.5%. The Bank of England cut rates to 3.75% in December, marking the 4th cut of 2025. Markets expect the pace of rate cuts to slow dramatically in 2026, with economists expecting only 2 25 basis point cuts throughout the year, bringing rates down to 3.25%. At the last meeting, the Monetary Policy Committee split 5-4, leaving FX traders uncertain whether 2026 will bring further cuts or continued caution. Several new voting members rotating onto the committee in 2026 have expressed hawkish views, potentially reinforcing that cautious approach. The BOE has signaled that policy restrictiveness has fallen significantly, with future easing dependent on inflation developments. Now, speaking of inflation, UK inflation fell to 3.2% in November. That's the lowest level in 8 months, and it's below the Bank of England's own forecasts. GDP growth is projected to grow at 1.3% in 2026, mainly driven by temporary government spending boosts rather than underlying private sector strength. That's the lesser of the two positive scenarios. Inflation is expected to ease steadily to 2.6% in 2026 and 2.3% in 27, though services inflation currently remains elevated at 4.4%. The unemployment rate has risen to 5.1%, highest since 2021, with youth unemployment particularly concerning at 16%. Business investment remains subdued, and household spending growth is expected to remain modest as real income growth slows throughout the forecast period. Now, this type of chaotic outlook is very predictive of British pound volatility continuing in the first quarter of next year.